Hi everyone. Today I want to teach you how to boost an Instagram post. If you want to boost an Instagram post, I advise you to publish the post first. Because if you don't publish any post, you cannot boost it. The publishing is organic marketing. Once you're done with that, then you go for what boost, which is actually the paid. So click on boost button. Let's go back. I would like to go back to my Instagram profile. So I'll show you all the posts I must have published. These are all the posts. So I can basically boost any of these posts. So I can click here and click on boost posts. So once I click on boost posts, I can either select visit profile, which has to do with that is the goal. The visit profile is for them to see the advert and visit your profile. The aim of the visit profile is that you want people to visit your profile and follow you. So if you want them to follow you, you need to must have published a lot on your profile. Please make sure you must have done that before you do visit to profile. Before you do visit profile call to action, let's check the preview for visit profile. I guess you might find follow, or you might find something like visit profile. Then when you get to the profile, you follow. So visit Instagram profile. Then when you get here, they want you to follow the account. That is on feed. This is on story. This is a preview. Explore preview. So if you don't want to do that, you can go for visit a website. So you can basically put your website address here. You can put learn more, save. Let's check the preview. So the call to action button will be learn more. Learn more. So if you also don't want to do that, you can go for message, which simply means they can message you on Instagram or WhatsApp. So you can basically select WhatsApp, then activate your WhatsApp here, business here. You just put the number, you activate it, it's forward the code to you. Or you can basically select Instagram and they'll message you on Instagram. It will look like this. Let's go to the preview. Feed. So message, send message. So once you're done, let me just go for visit your profile. That is what I want. Uh, my profile visit, the visitors, the potential customers or the potential followers to do. So this is special requirement. I don't need to switch this on because it is not for social issues, elections, politics, credit, or employment. So don't switch this on. This they want to suggest audience for you. So I will not go with this. So who do you want to see? You can create your own audience. Create your own. Click here and create your audience. So I'll go for Muslim because my page is for Muslim and it's basically a post for the post I want to post for Muslim. So the location I can go for Nigeria and other targeted location. If you are selecting a country, please don't select a city or a state in a country. I can go for United States, United Kingdom. So if you are selecting a country, please don't select a state or a city. So you can select as much as you like. Then let's go back. As for location, I was supposed to save that. Let me just go for it. Don't forget to save. Then interest. So since it's all about Islam, so we'll start going. We start the interest. People that will be interested in my post will be interested in Islam. So I'll go for things like Islam, whatever, whatever. So these are all the interests. So I'll go for Islam, Quran, whatever, Friday, Juma. So whatever you can go as a Makkah, Hajj, Muslim. You can pick as much as you like. Save. Once you're done, then you go to the gender. You can fix the gender depending on what you prefer. The, this is the age. You fix the age depending on what you prefer. 18 to 65 is okay. Then you select the gender, either male or female or all. Then save. Once you're done, then you can fix your budget. This is where you have the daily budget, what you want to spend per day. I can go for $1 if that is what I have. It's advisable even if you intend to spend more than $1 per day, maybe 10, $50. It's advisable to start with something that is lower so that you can understand the advert, then you increase the advert to the normal amount, then you increase the daily budget to the normal daily budget amount. So I can basically start with $1 today, even if I want to spend $10 per day. I'll check my advert. Once I notice it's performing well, first day, second day, then I'll fix it. I can continue increasing it. $4, $7. Then when it gets to 10, I leave it there. Then I'll continue with what I have. Then for the duration, you can either run this ad until I pause it, or click on set duration. So you can actually run your advert as much as you want, maybe maybe 1 month, 2 months, a year. But the main advice is that you should make sure that your advert runs for more than 4 days, because for 1 to 3, 4 days it will be learning process. The advert will be learning process in order for you to perform better. So I can go for 10 days or 7 days. And you click on boost. But before you click on boost, I want to show you something. You need to put your card. That is how you pay for advertising. So this is the budget, this is the value added tax, this is the total cost. $7.53. So you can simply just click on next, they put your card name, number, year, whatever. You can also use a PayPal account if you have one. Use a PayPal account. I think I have one. You can use a PayPal account. So once you're done, you click on boost post. As you can see, add a review within 24 hours. Although in some cases it may take longer. Once you're running, you can pause spending at any time. So basically, you have to wait 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It can be active. 10 minutes can be active. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment with the kind of video you like for me to publish or create. Thank you for watching.